Hi, my name is Corey Stevenson, and I'd like to do a video for you about how I would recommend that people format their um, homework assignments for various STEM subjects. Anything in engineering, really, physics related, or anything like that. And so, what I have here is an example of a homework assignment that I did for a applied machine elements class that I had last semester. And this is a standard piece of engineering paper that you can get from the bookstore at Tennessee Tech here. And I think this is a really applicable format for doing homework, and it makes everything nice and neat. Um, I was initially shown this format by Dr. Carnall in the electrical engineering department, and I found it to be really useful, and I thought I could apply it to other classes as well. But so you can see here that I've got my name and the page number right there. And then as long as you indicate the assignment number and the due date underneath that, and the course number and the semester over to the far side there. And Dr. Carnell makes this a requirement, I think, for all of his classes. I only took one of his classes because I switched out of electrical engineering after the first semester I was here. But you make note of the assignment problems or the number of problems that he gives you for whatever chapter you're working on. And you write down all your assumptions. He doesn't really require any type of format for how you solve the problem. I just picked that up from another professor that I had at Columbia State Community College while I went there. And so a basic format for solving any physics-related problem basically is you write down any basic assumptions given in the problem. You then write down what you're asked to find. Like in this example, it's deflection of the bar. And you can see the diagram over on the right-hand side. You then write down everything that you're given. And then, for example, here I wrote down all the relevant equations. Sometimes it's more than one for depending on the example problem that you're solving. And then you write down your solutions. And I learned in a statistics course that a lot of times what's very helpful for a problem anytime you solve it is to draw a conclusion based on your solution. And like in this example, it says, would this bar fail? And it says no for 6061 T6, that's a type of steel, I believe. It says the ultimate stress is 45 KSI. That KSI basically indicates thousands of pounds per square inch. I'm just explaining it so you understand the basic format here. But in the second part of the conclusion says Young's modulus of aluminum is less than that of steel modulus, which means it's softer. I don't think I finished that conclusion in this example, but you can get the gist of the general format there. And so basically, if you can figure out a way to solve problems like this, it'll make your homework and stuff a lot easier if you just take these steps. Even if you have a hard time understanding the homework, if you follow this methodology here, it would at least make your attempts to try to figure it out a lot easier and a lot easier to see and follow your work. So I just wanted to suggest that for you all, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.